What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be investing in PayPal stocks. And the question of the day is, do you trust PayPal with your money? Well, I do, and I'm going to be showing you why and why I'm going to be investing in PayPal and why it's one of my low risk stocks. Okay, to start off, PayPal was founded in 1998 and it split from eBay in 2015 and has added over 400 plus million active accounts in the past 4.5 years, which is massive. Now, it took nearly 20 years for PayPal to get to 600 billion TTV, which is time to value, but years later, they will do 1.5 trillion through the platform, which is massive. Okay, and why is this pushing this growth? Well, we all know what happened in 2020. Also, everyone's moving to online shopping. So, like for this year, they expect 25% of retail sales to go online. That's up from 18%. So it's going to benefit PayPal. Okay, just a cool little calendar to have on their investment relations page. Now, if you had to invest 10,000 in 2015, what would you have made? And it's just going to show me here. I would have had an interest rate of 4,000 or 421%, and your 10,000 would be 52,000 now. And that was a compound annual growth rate for which is great for long term, is 28.84%. So massive growth there if you had to get in early on PayPal. PayPal is the number 2 most trusted brand in the world. Okay, and to keep your transactions and details safe, and it don't sell your data. Okay, so you can have a look there, pause the screen if you want to see that. Okay, what else is PayPal doing? PayPal is offering a new service. You can pay now, pay later. Okay, so you have up to 8 weeks and in 4 payments to pay off your transactions, to pay off whatever you buy online. You just got to apply for it. It's been released in the USA and recently into Italy and Spain, and it's been booming since. Also, what else is PayPal doing? PayPal have added crypto, so you can buy, sell, and hold crypto on their platform now. So it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash to start off with. So really good news there for PayPal. Also, if you come to eToro here, it's got a strong buy rating at the moment, and that is why I'm investing too. It's at $191 at the moment, but it's down pre-market of minus 1.88%. So what I'm looking for is the analyst's expectation over the next 12 months. I want to buy at least below that, okay, or around that low estimate. And the average estimate, so the low estimate is 190, it's at 191, but it's going to drop that pre-market. And then I have 260 medium and 342. Now, the price has dropped way down. Hedge funds have sold off in the last quarter, but it's starting to recover, in my opinion. And insiders have bought in the last quarter. You can see that on PayPal's chart here. It was at $303 in July of 2020, and now it's gone down, dropped 37.57%. So, is this a good time to invest? For me, it is. Leave a comment below if you think it's going to be a good time to invest. Okay, so it's good time to invest there. Also, looking at statistics, I'm looking at held by institutes. So 81% of the stock is 0.82 is held by institutes. So hedge funds, remember big money. I'm following big money that don't sell off as quick as retail investors, and they usually buy more stock when the price drops, where a retail investor will usually sell or take a profit, etc. Also, looking at their cash flow statement down here in the bottom, they have 3.48 billion leverage free cash flow, okay, at the moment. So that is good money to invest in our new projects. So great profits there. Okay, the finances are looking really good, guys. If you look from the last 3 years here, you can see 2018 15.4 billion, and then 2019 17.7 billion, and then last year was 21.4 billion. And if you look down here, earning per share was 1.74, and then it rose the next year 209, and now it's massively at 3.58. And our next earning report is in February the 4th, so not far away. So expect a little bit of a rise after that. Okay, so back to eToro and back to my investment. As you can see, yesterday I bought PayPal. Okay, and you can see there I'm up 2%. So I bought it at 187.65, and that's below the low estimate for the next 12 months. I've invested $500 of my 20,000. I'm going to be investing in this portfolio to start off with. So that's 2.5%. But also I have 2.5% in Plug Power, but I'm going to be investing more money in PayPal. It's a safer, low risk stock. It's going to be one of my anchors to my portfolio. As you can see there, I'm up 2% and I'm up 1.33% on Plug. So what I'm going to do is watching this market today to make sure it doesn't drop below that. If it does, I'll set a stop loss, guys, which is also a tip here. When the market opens, I'm going to set a stop loss. You can do that, or you can just watch it. I'm not going to let it drop below into the red because I might be able to get it at a better price. If you set your stop loss in profit, set your stop loss there, go to amount. So it's $500. You want about 0.44% of your portfolio. So 250 is 0.5%, perfect. It will hit that stop loss and it won't sell in the negative. Okay, so that is a good stop loss when the market opens. I won't set it overnight because it could drop more of that, but on when the market opens, or pre-market or after market sales. Okay, so that's going to be my plan, guys. What do you think? Leave a comment in the description. Want to hear your thoughts. Will you invest in PayPal? Is it a good investment? So smash that like and subscribe button and follow me on this trading journey. Thanks very much for watching, and see you on the next video. Peace and love. Bye.